These are waiting to get into the hatchery. All of these fish are trying to commit suicide. 2 years. Oh, they're just going home to die. And if each one of the females has at least 100 babies or eggs.
Good signs for the future, lady.
What?
Good signs for the future, lady.
Good signs for the future. There is lots of fish. Watch this. Oh, look. Here goes the sea lion. He's having to get him a bite. Chomp, chomp. There's another one. They're going down the wave pool. So fun. And the birds just go down to come back. And all those fish go down to come back.